Hello viewers, and back with a new topic, funny money. We all have seen money and have used it. Yeah, those coins and notes, they are very familiar. Different countries are using different currencies. Like in the Philippines, it's a peso. In the UAE, it's a dirham. And in the US, it's a dollar, and so on. But back in history, there are instances where money is not as you think. Before currency came, there was this called the barter system, which means exchange of goods without the use of money. When currency came, people were using it in different ways, and some look strange to us. Think about a time when you can buy some oranges by paying iron strips, or buying a nice cloth using cocoa beans, or buying something else by paying something as familiar as a potato masher. In this video, we'll talk about some of the strangest forms of money. Salt. We all have heard of the salt trade. Yes, salt is one of history's oldest currencies and was used in Rome, East Africa, etc. throughout the Middle Ages. In fact, the word salary was derived from the Roman word salarium, meaning money used to buy salt. Tobacco notes. Because of the scarcity of gold and silver, the states of Virginia, Maryland, and North Carolina of the US used tobacco notes as currency throughout most of the colonial period. The obvious weakness of tobacco as currency, notably lack of portability and variability of value, became more apparent with time, and it was abandoned in the second half of the 18th century. Tiger tongues. These are not actual tongues but elongated silver bars with a tongue-like shape. They range in size from 9 to 12 centimeters and would weigh anywhere from 70 to some 120 grams. Their value was based on their weight and was used in Thailand. Cocoa beans. When we hear about cocoa beans, what comes to our mind first is chocolates and other delicacies made from these beans. But in the ancient times, they were also used as a form of currency. The Mayans were the first to use it, and they used it to buy food and clothing. Rice stones. One of the largest forms of coins, rice stones were used in the Pacific islands of Yap, Palau, and Guam. These discs are carved from crystalline limestone. The smallest disc could be 3.5 cm in diameter, and the largest could be 3.6 meters in diameter, 50 cm thick, and could be as heavy as 4,000 kilograms. Tea bricks. In Russia, Mongolia, Tibet, and many other countries, this strange edible currency was used. The fun fact here is that the bricks can only be used as small pieces, not all at once. Shells. The greatest success story among the strange currencies is the cowrie shell. It was in circulation in almost all islands such as Hawaii, Maldives, Indonesia, etc. It remains in circulation in a few islands, and other places were replaced with standard notes and coins. Whale teeth. In the ancient times in the islands of Fiji, people were using whale teeth as a form of currency. They used it to purchase anything from land to a hit on a rival chieftain. The value of the teeth was on the basis of its size. The larger the tooth, the more its value. The gizzy pennies. Think about money in iron strips. These gizzy pennies were twisted iron rods used by the West and Central Africans. They range in length from 15 to 40 centimeters, and they were said to contain a soul. If it was broken, the soul would escape and was considered valueless. Of course, the local witch doctor could restore the soul for a small fee, leading to the phrase, "a penny with a soul." The German wooden note. Think about wooden notes. The Notgeld, or emergency money, was that German wooden note. After the issue of Notgeld, a serious hyperinflation took place, leading to some towns making their own wooden banknotes, and it was abolished later. As I mentioned earlier, the rice stones were one of the largest forms of coins in the world. Now, we are discussing about the smallest coin, the Vijayanagar Tara. These coins were issued by King Devaraya, who ruled the Vijayanagar Empire, for use in his country. These coins range from 4 to 7 millimeters in diameter. The world's largest legal tender. Imagine the purest gold coin ever. This is the 1 million Canadian dollar coin. It's 50 cm across, 3 cm thick, and weighs 100 kilograms, making it the largest modern coin in the world.
It's also 99.999% pure gold, making it the purest coin in the world. It also breaks the world record for being the first $1 million coin.
Till now, we have seen some of the strange forms of currencies, but there are more. In China, bronze tokens were hammered in the shapes of a shirt, or spade, or a hoe, or some other shape. And based on the shape of that token, we can buy the object. For example, a token with the shape of a shirt would buy your shirt, or a shirt's worth of anything else. In Russia, squirrel pelts were used. In Italy, Italy is famous for its cheese, and the Parmigiano cheese or the Parmesan cheese that we now know was used as a currency back then. Now, you have got a rough idea of how the currency was in the ancient times. That's all for now. We'll meet up in the next video with a new topic. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share and do comment. Thank you.